Great retirement boat.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just thinking which pontoon my wife would have. It would have separate, obviously. And then she'd have to ask permission to come into my side. So this is the big advantage of the cat. You've got this big flat space in the middle.
It's living lifestyle.
Yeah. So it's just comfortable.
How you going?
Yeah. And so if you're old, it's like easy access.
Isn't that just a family sort of?
70-year-old Queenslander. 70-year-old retiree. Yeah, I get it.
You can go out there if you like, guys. Just keeps that wind from whipping through right now. Yeah, they've changed it now.
So the thing too is, if you you're here with your betrothed, 70 retired, she could have this half and you could have that half. You know what I mean? Isn't that perfect? Do you know what I mean? Like you could separate. This would be my half, and my wife could have the other half.
They're bitches to the girls, aren't they? Huge bathroom.
Look at that. That's huge, isn't it? That's just like a normal bathroom.
Very clever.
Wow. Wow. It's just got retirement written all over it, hasn't it?
Guys, mate.
Oh,
Generally, we find the people.
That's right. That's right. I can see. Yeah.
That do purchase them, and they're just recently retired, sold up.
Yeah. Well,
Want to live on board or spend a lot of time on board.
in Queensland, you can live on them. Here, you can't. Well, in Sydney, you can't. Sydney Harbour, I should say. Oh, I didn't realise it was upstairs. Oh, this is not. Oh, wow.
Little wet bar, little barbecue.
Wow. It's phenomenal. Oh, look, barbecue.
Yeah. Wet bar, barbecue fridge.
Wet bar, barbecue fridge.
Yeah, everything's missing. I'm serious.
What?
This grip, it should have it there.
Why?
For when you're jumping off. Seriously,
Yeah.
Clearly that's gonna happen. There's no world where that doesn't happen. All you want an 8-year-old to go rip splat. Man, makes
You reckon you could drive one of these?
me.
Yeah.
Piss.
Really?
Easy
Like,
as.
you reckon you could get out of here?
Easy as.
Just
Because it's twins.
yeah.
Go like that and it'll turn on itself.
Turn on itself.
And it's also got, by the look of it,
Yeah. Fly by wire. Oh, that's the
you should be able to put everything into that.
thruster, bow thruster.
That's
Is it
so
a bow
the-
thruster?
Well, it probably would have it, but you should be able to put all your steering into that and just drop, not even use that. Just use, that's what we had on the way back down the coast. In the main helm, we had a wheel and we had a joystick on the.
Yeah.
We actually moved the joystick onto the side of the chair. You just sit in the chair and away you go.
So it's just go down backwards.
The only issue with this is that there's a big window, so we have a lot of surface area to push it sideways.
Windage, we call it. Windage. We call it windage. Sorry. On the island, we call it windage.
I know it's cool. I still enjoy it.
I work on an island, my friend.